introducing Brian Castano. Introducing JERMELL, Iron Man CHARLO.
CHARLO kontra Brian Carlos Castano ang inaabangang rematch na gaganapin ngayong linggo. Matatanda ang unang naglaban ang dalawa noong July 2021 na kung saan nagresulta ang matinding bakbakan nila sa isang tabla. Maraming boxing fans ang umalma sa naging desisyon ng mga hurado, kanya-kanyang panig sa paborito nilang boksingero.
The decision is a split decision draw.
Empate.
Kaya naman, agad ikinasa ang rematch ng dalawa para matuldukan na ang mga haka-haka nila. JERMELL CHARLO ng bansang Amerika kontra Brian Carlos Castano ng bansang Argentina. Muling maglalaban para sa undisputed Super Welterweight Championship. WBO World Super Welterweight Champion itong si Castano, habang WBC, WBA at IBF Super Welterweight Champion naman itong si JERMELL CHARLO. 34 wins with only 1 defeat, 18 via knockout itong si CHARLO, habang 17 wins, 0 loss, 12 via knockout naman itong si Castano. Lamang sa tangkad itong si CHARLO, 6-footer, habang 5'7 lang si Castano, pero knockout artist at pressure fighter. Sa unang laban nila ay talagang digmaan ng mga kamao ang makikita. Matira ang matibay, talagang sulit panoorin. Kaya naman sa rematch ay talagang inaabangan din. Ano sa palagay ninyo ang magiging resulta? Kabla pa rin ba? Unanimous decision o may matutulog na sa kanila sa ibabaw ng lona?
Back to your corner. Good. It's a loop occasionally.
Which we asked Ronnie Shields if he was okay with the looping overhand right, and he said, yeah, it's, as long as it lands and it does some damage. There it goes.
That one didn't loop much, and down goes Smith. 3, 4, 5. It's over. Good luck. But I give him credit for trying to hang tall. Down goes Botai. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And CHARLO scores the third round TKO victory. The towel was also thrown in previous to this fight.
But what that's doing is it's cocky and hook. He just snaps it out and then he gets weight on and manages to put all the weight on his left hook. And once that hook landed,
Demonstrated by how
Canine. CHARLO trying to close the distance, and he does it effectively with that right hand, making an early statement. And the canine got bit. I think if they would spar, they'll never fight each other. They should maybe switch the trucks up and put the other guy's name on. Another good left hook, and Bondage in trouble, and CHARLO is on the verge of a title. 3 knockdowns. The dilemma if you're Bondage, if you stay outside, you get eaten alive by the jab. If you do that, you get knocked down by the right hand. Number 4, and it's over. Referee has seen enough. The new champion.
Good. Watch the headbutts, touch gloves, let's go to battle.
And you guys obviously have scouted CHARLO out to the point. Where do you see that Silky can have some effectiveness?
Just getting in his chest, putting pressure on him. Don't give him room to punch. Just wear him down, go to the body.
Oh, down it goes.
Flush, I think it hurt him in the eye. Yes, he takes the knee. I think his eye is injured. Knockdown number. Take a good look at it.
I think it's up to go back to your corner. Come out. 2 under.
But it doesn't look anywhere he's trying to in preparation for that fight. He was very bouncy, constantly looking at his feet. There's something, his leg's gone. There's something wrong with his back leg. It's completely gone.
Well, that was a lot of balance. The referee and CHARLO just stepped out of the way and down he went. And
I was really looking forward to this fight. I thought it had all the ingredients to be fight of the night, even though the main event should be a crack. I mean, his leg's gone.
Santana looking to release some punches. As CHARLO chases him down. Big right hands, 2 big right hands on the chin. And oh my goodness, CHARLO puts down Santana. And this one, oh, CHARLO
goodness. Talk about
Estaremos luego con Charito con el título mundial interino, primera defensa. Balón de cambio de gol. Con mucha naturalidad. Es Castaño, va con Castaño, la derecha de Domínguez. Responde Castaño con él. Solo desorienta cuando toma postura ofensiva, gancho de izquierda.
Arriba, primero con la derecha, después con la zurda. Empieza a ponerlo en zona de quiebra Vélez. Arrancó la máquina de Isidro Casanova. Zurda. Está fuera de foco. Vélez. Castaño por su obra, Castaño por su obra, Castaño por su obra. Se acaba, notado de pie. Lara Basile, se acaba. Alto. Vélez todavía no entiende la decisión. No hay azul y blanco. Derecha de Brian. Ahí busca el hígado, la zurda ascendente y la resistencia. Ya con la zurda en cross. Llegan arriba todas. Luján mira atentamente. Se acaba.
Achicaba la distancia, lo recibía con la derecha por adentro. Ahora Brian Castaño. Y otra derecha más sobre la cabeza para sacárselo de encima. Lo va a apurar, quiere definir la pelea. Puede haber definición al piso. Vuela la...
He was so far, he's still back. Trying to get Castaño off of him, but then he hits a barrage of punches in the corner. Castaño working. Oh, what a left hook. Take some confidence away from Castaño.
Result. He's been fighting a jab more. Well, you know, we just saw.
Omotoso's hurt with a left shoulder. He pointed at it.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.